Hey, so I wanted to show you really quick. I let my granddaughter play around with my wigs one day and she tore the lace on the wig. And I love the wig so much. It's this kinky straight. So I went ahead and just put the wig on and then I braided some of my hair with it. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to go buy some clips to where I can just maybe turn it into a U-part wig. So I'm including some of the other hair with it. No. Hang on, let me start that over. Okay. There. And I'm still gonna wear it. Because I love the wig. And I can't be mad at her. I mean, I'm mad at her because she tore it and didn't tell me. That's what I'm mad about. But I'm not mad that she plays with my hair. Okay, what do y'all think? Okay, I like it. Alright. Okay, so I fixed the braid. I seen that little spot poking out. But I think it's secure. I don't think it's going anywhere. You know what I'll do? I'll sew a band on the inside of it. What do y'all think? That way I still get to save the wig, and I think it looks really cute.